Hello, I, 66, and I 11th Step Squad. I am a game of football player. Fellow squares, ever since one of us fell from the sky, we have been bold explorers, discovering new lands, seeking out new friends, dealing with round things.
Huck, round things.
Well, I say it's time to tackle the ultimate round thing.